So this is OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G, a latest budget smartphone from OnePlus. Should you consider buying it? Let's look into the video. First, let's talk about the design. CE2 Lite comes with full plastic body build and it comes on two color variant. The one we have is Blue Tide and one more variant is Black Dusk. It has a glossy stripped shades near camera bump. It looks okay, there is no major change on the design. The curved edges on the side give slim feel while holding the phone. Bottom you'll get mono speaker and Type-C charging port. For 20,000 at least we expected stereo speakers from OnePlus. But still the mono speaker sounds good, there is no distraction at the higher volume. Right side you'll get side mounted fingerprint sensor integrated with power button. The placement is really good, it's very easy to reach. Also the sensor is really accurate and fast. On the left side you will get volume rockers and SIM tray. Either you can choose dual SIM or one SIM on SD card. Overall the phone weighs 195 gram but it's not heavy on hand. OnePlus did really good job on weight distribution. For one hand usage, phone feels really comfortable. There is no IP certification, so no dust and water resistance. Also we are missing the usual OnePlus feature alert slider on this phone. Next let's talk about display. The OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite comes with 6.59-inch IPS LED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Definitely we are missing the OLED display for 20,000. Still this LCD display impressed us. It has a great viewing angle and the media consumption experience is also really great. While testing we even forgot it's a LCD display. The display is that good. It also have wideband L1 certification. When it comes to refresh rate, either you can choose 60 or 120. There is no adaptive refresh rate. Also the OnePlus feature always on display is not here since it's a LCD display. Next let's talk about performance and software. OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor and it also has Adreno 619 GPU. It runs on Android 12 on top of Oxygen OS 12.1. The default third-party apps are very less. UI is smooth, there is no stutter or lags. Out of the box 21.7 GPU is used for system UI and other apps. The phone have all the sensor. When it comes to gaming, it performs really good. Also there is no heating issue. And the brand promises 2 generations of OS update and 3 years of security update. Next, let's talk about battery and charging. The phone is packed with 5000 mAh battery and you'll get fast charging up to 33 watts. They include 33 watts adapter on the box. On our charging test, it will take 32 minutes to charge from 0 to 50 and for a full charge, it will take 1 hour 14 minutes. On heavy usage, we'll get almost 8 hours of screen on time. On normal usage, you'll get charged more than a day. Next, let's talk about camera. On main, we have a triple camera setup. Primary 64 megapixel with 1.7 aperture plus 2MP for macro and 2MP for depth sensor. On the daylight condition, the photo output is good, but the output is not constant. Sometimes the photos are oversaturated. On night, the performance are not that great. When we talk about video, max you can record 1080p at 30 frames per second. The output is average. And we'll get 16 megapixel selfie camera with 2.2 aperture. The skin tones are accurate, portrait shots are decent. Overall it's a decent performance camera. Before conclude everything, let's see the difference between OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G and its twin brother Realme 9 Pro. Instead of 2MP macro on OnePlus, Realme 9 Pro comes with 8 megapixel wide angle camera. Also it comes with lots of BlueTooth pre-installed. Realme 9 Pro priced 1000 rupees less than OnePlus. If you don't want any BlueTooth on your mobile and if you want to experience Oxygen OS, then OnePlus is a good option for you. Or else, if you are fine with some bloatware, then you can go ahead with Realme 9 Pro. Overall, to conclude it, the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite have decent processor, good battery backup and charging. Even though it's not AMOLED display, it's a really good LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. It comes with Android 12 on top of OnePlus Oxygen OS. So definitely the experience is really smooth. Overall, the build quality is also really good. OnePlus did a great job on weight distribution. When we talk about cons, we are missing ultra-wide camera on this phone and the camera performance is also average and there is no major change on the design. Also there is no stereo speakers on this phone. Finally, the 128GB variant is priced for 20,000. Overall, if you are looking for budget OnePlus phone under 20,000, then OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G is for you. Or if you want to explore some other options, we made a video on best smartphone under 20,000. The link is in the description. Hope you liked today's video. This is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe.